Hello, my name is Shirk, and as a captain of OBA Pistols baseball team, I would like to thank you for visiting our sponsor and athlete Fundraiser.
Since we rely on donations to make our season possible, we want to sponsor to see all the experiments their generosity created.
By sponsoring an athlete, you immediately become part of our community on Blast Athletics.
Each week, you will receive an email updating you on the athlete team you sponsor. This includes highlights, videos, and photos.
Plus, every donation above $100 will receive a personal thank you video from the athlete you sponsor saved on your own Blast profile.
The process is simple. Click the yellow donate button, choose your favorite athlete, then pay with your credit card.
Thank you for donations.
Well